Hey, it's John here from highticketaffiliatecoach.com, and in this video I'm going to reveal my top 3 best affiliate marketing tools for beginners. And the best thing about these tools is that they're all completely free to get started with. Now, tool number 1 will help you grab leads and then market to them on autopilot. Tool number 2 will help you find low competition, high demand topics to make content on to drive traffic to your affiliate business. And tool 3 will help you not get banned by social media and email marketing software platforms. And you definitely need to stick around to the very end because I've got a special free gift waiting for you. I'll also tell you how you can get your whole affiliate business set up for you. So let's dive in. Affiliate marketing tool number 1 is system.io. This tool is going to help you grab leads and then market to them on autopilot. I wish this tool had been around when I first started affiliate marketing in 2012 because it has so much going for it. But before I tell you those advantages, let's look at exactly what it is. It's a combined funnel builder and autoresponder platform. Now, do those words sound like Greek to you? Well, if so, don't worry. Here's that again in plain English. A funnel is just a very simple website that is used to capture emails of people interested in your niche. Your niche might be weight loss or making money online, for example. What we normally do is we offer something of value for free to that audience, like a short PDF solving an immediate problem they might have in exchange for their email address. We often call that free thing a lead magnet. Once it captures their email, the idea is to direct them to a sales page of your first affiliate product. So as an example, here is my opt-in page, the first page of my funnel where you can get my lead magnet. If you want a closer look, then you can check it out via the link in the pinned comment under this video. Now, an autoresponder, put simply, is a software that can send a series of emails automatically to your leads and promote affiliate products to them on autopilot while you sleep. And as a quick demonstration, here is the autoresponder sequence that we set up for our students. Now, each one of these lines is an email, and they go out one after the other in sequence. And most of these emails promote a different affiliate product. There's a sequence of 3 or 4 emails for each affiliate product. So here's what I like about system.io. The first thing is you don't have to get a separate funnel builder and autoresponder software like you did when I first started. There's no need to glue those two softwares together anymore, and no more tech headaches doing that because they're already integrated inside of System. Secondly, it's free to use right up until you have 2,000 email subscribers in your database, and by then you should be earning way more than enough to pay for that. Even when you do have to pay, it's still very affordable, around under $50 at the time of recording this video. The email deliverability is really good, and that means you're more likely to land in people's inboxes and not their spam folders. It's also really intuitive to use, and the support is quick and efficient, even for the free members. Now, I recommend this to all my students because nobody needs $100 or $200 coming out of their account each month for software when they've not made any commissions just yet. You can grab your free system.io account via the link in the description below this video. It's an affiliate link, of course, and that just means I'll make a small commission at no cost to you when you eventually do start paying for it. I appreciate your support. Now, let's look at tool number 2. As we do that, be sure to subscribe and smash that like button for more content like this. Affiliate marketing number 2 is vidIQ. This tool is going to help you find low competition, high demand topics to make content on to drive traffic to your affiliate business. Now, vidIQ is a powerful tool set for YouTubers, but we use the free version to find great keywords to make our content around to get free traffic to our funnel. Now, a keyword is just the name that we give to a search term that someone searches on Google or YouTube. Don't ask me why they don't call it a key term. That would have made a whole lot more sense to me. Anyway, the vidIQ free version is a plugin for the Chrome browser, and you can grab that via the affiliate link in the description below. Again, you won't have to pay unless you decide to upgrade to one of the premium versions. I use the Pro version myself and I love it, but you really don't need that when you're just starting out. So here we are on YouTube, and I've got the vidIQ free plugin installed, and you can see on the right hand side here we have something a bit different to what you normally see on YouTube. Now what I've done is I've searched for a keyword here at the top, and the keyword I've chosen is Ready Hour Food Review, and Ready Hour is just a survival food that I have used myself, and you'll actually see that my video is number one on the results for that keyword here. But the crucial thing is that on the right hand side here, it tells us some information about that keyword. It tells us that the volume is pretty good, anywhere from the kind of yellow to green levels here is great, and the competition is low. So that means that there's a good amount of traffic to this keyword, and as you can see, my videos had 2.7 thousand views, so that proves that it gets good traffic, and the competition is low, and that means that there's not too many other competing videos for that keyword, and that means that it's going to be fairly easy, at least if you're using the right techniques, to get to close to the top position for that keyword. Now once we've found a great keyword, we use that as the basis for a video on the topic, and then when people search for that keyword, they find our content. And then when we promote our lead magnet at the end of that content, remember that free giveaway we mentioned before, they hopefully will go ahead and join our email list. Okay, moving on. Affiliate marketing tool number 3 is Bitly. This tool is going to help you not get banned by social media and email software platforms. Now, Bitly is a free tool that we use to shorten our affiliate links and to cloak them. Now, why do we do this? For a couple of important reasons. Now, when you sign up for an affiliate program, you get given a link that is usually long and complicated. This long, complicated link can be off-putting and frankly intimidating to your prospects, so shortening it can help a lot. Now, Bitly links are very common on social media platforms, and people are used to clicking on them, and therefore normally more comfortable about clicking on them. I'd be surprised if you haven't clicked on more than a couple of Bitly links yourself in the past. Now, the second reason is that most social media platforms don't like you using affiliate links directly on there. So we cloak them using Bitly so that it's harder for them to detect that it is an affiliate link. And that way we stay on the right side of the platform regulations and don't get banned or suspended. Bitly is super simple to use. Just go to bitly.com and sign up for a free account. And here's how we use it. Once you're logged in, your screen will look a bit like this. All we do is we click this create new blue button here, click link, and then when this appears, you'll put in your long link in the destination box here, give it a title, and then just press return or click create at the bottom there, and you're going to get a nice short link that you can use to promote. Now, setting up your affiliate business the right way takes fair bit of work. Now, that can include researching products, crafting emails, creating websites and funnels, writing sales copy, and dealing with the technical setups. Now, this can be a bit overwhelming for many new affiliates, but my team and I can handle all this for you. We take care of the entire setup and deal with the technical details, so you don't have to worry about it. Plus, if you're new and finding it hard to get accepted for certain affiliate programs, we can help you find alternative programs that have instant approval. So if you're interested in discovering more about this, I suggest grabbing my free gift, and that's a short ebook called The 3 Simple Steps to Start a Side Hustle with High Ticket Affiliate Marketing, which you can find via the link in the pinned comment or in the description box under this video. And once you've grabbed that, you'll be directed to a free training video, which I suggest that you watch through so that you can see if this service is for you. Thank you so much for watching this video about the best affiliate marketing tools for beginners, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. I'll see you next time. God bless.